The story of Big Boatman is about Christ. It's about my real life. Started being a boatman is like 5 years ago. I was a boatman of different companies. I come to realize that it will never stay this way. So you have to think bigger. You have to think like that. That's how we started Big Dream Boatman. The story of Big Dream Boatman is about Christ. It's about my real life, It's not easy to be a boatman. Life is on the risk. You have these big waves, bad weather on the way, and I think that you have to keep dreaming, And when we have this, when you keep dreaming and you keep implementing what you are thinking, then you do something, then something good will come. And it's not just that; it's also about sharing. That's what Big Dream Boatman is, to give the money back to the people. That's what we're doing here. So no corruptions, nothing. It don't work this way. That's how Oli and me come to have this project, the Big Dream Boatman. It's not only about making money. It's not just that. So it's about also how to help the local people like me as a tourist guide in Coron. It's also about how to change my life, because I was started we are not from a rich family, so we are the same as what the other guys out here. So we are just a poor family, so I consider myself, But after I have met Oli, my partner in Big Dream Boatman, then it's the time that I could say I could really have chance to change my life as well, and for my friends and families out here also. lead you to the darkest of your days. If a great wave shall fall and fall upon us all,